I am going to show you how to add two numbers in Python. In this program, we asked the user to enter two numbers, and this program displays the sum of two numbers entered by the user, like this. Let's see how it works.
First, we can take the input numbers from the user, like this. We use the input function to take the input. Since input function returns a string, we convert the string into number using the int function. Then, the numbers are added and print the sum of the two numbers, like this.